TV magic right there. All right, guys, it's hard to believe that December is here and we are quickly approaching the end of the year. With the hustle and bustle of the holidays, let's face it, most people are spending more money this time of year than any other season. Sylvia Watford, a financial counselor with Bayport Credit Union, is here with some ideas on good money management that will make a big difference in the new year. Sylvia, welcome back to the Hampton Roads Show. You are so helpful when you come here, and this time of year, we need your help more than ever because so many people are spending so much money that they don't have.
That's true.
How do you avoid getting in trouble this time of year?
Well, I think the first thing that people need to do is visualize what their finances will look like a year from now based on the decisions that they're making now.
Visualize your finances.
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing they're going to say is, I don't have enough. But they're going to spend a lot of money come Christmas. So how do they have the money to spend at the holidays?
Well, if they don't want that stress from going into debt during the holidays, because the studies show that we spend 30% more when we use credit instead of cash, why not consider having the cash to spend for the holidays next year? And you can do that very easily.
Well, it's so easy to pull out the plastic, though.
It's tempting to pull the plastic, but you have to pay that later. So why not consider opening a Christmas Club account now, where you set a certain amount on a regular basis, deposit that automatically on a monthly basis, so that the beginning of October you have the cash sitting there to take care of all of your holiday expenses.
Okay, a Christmas Club account,
yes,
automatically drafted. That sounds easy.
It is.
And it really adds up, too. How would that add up over the year?
Well, just think, if you put $50 a month, you'd have $600 to get you started. If you double that, $100, you'd have $1,200. And if you put $200, you'd have $2,400 budgeted, allotted already for your holiday expenses. So you don't have to worry about taking on that extra debt.
We all know that that works, and it works in so many different ways, too. Other options of doing that, like a 401k. It's just good financial advice.
That's the key, is look at putting your finances on autopilot.
Right.
Out of sight, out of mind. Just like you start the Christmas Club account, you know you need money for emergency fund.
Right.
So put aside a certain amount every pay period to go into that emergency fund, just like you contribute to your 401k.
Right.
Out of sight, out of mind. If you do these things automatically, it becomes a no-brainer, and it helps you to get where you need to be a year from now.
I think everyone out there is a little guilty of this. It's kind of like Thanksgiving. When you go to the table, you see so much food, you always get too much. And when you go to Christmas, you always seem to spend too much, too.
Right.
So a lot of people are in the same boat. They overspend, and they get in trouble because of that. So this is an easy way to avoid trouble.
Exactly, to think ahead of time,
right,
so that you're planning, you have that cash available, and then do it for the other areas of your finances as well. You can set up an automatic deduction so that if you inadvertently overdraw your checking account, the money is automatically transferred from your savings account to make sure that you don't have additional fees. These things that you'll do on a regular basis.
Don't wait till it's too late to look at next year. Do it right now. What great advice right there from Sylvia Watford. Check out any of the Bayport Credit Unions. They are all across Hampton Roads. 14 Hampton Roads locations. You can find out more at www.bayportcu.org. Sylvia Watford, thank you very much, and happy holidays to you.
Same to you.
Now to you guys.